Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a Python file which takes input from the user and gives area, perimeter and diagonal of a square. Now open Visual Studio Code or IDE. Here I have an empty Python file named square.py. In first line type print in brackets square. Hit enter, then define square empty brackets. Square will be like this side and this is diagonal. With the help of side, we need to find diagonal, area and perimeter. Now type as side is equals to float input in brackets square side is equals to side equals to, and then we need to find area. I will represent area by capital E equals S into S, that is S square, side square, and perimeter equals to sum of four sides, that is 4 into S, and diagonal equals root 2 multiplied with side, root 2 multiplied with side. And then we need to print this also. Print in brackets area area equals A, as area is represented in square units, so square units, and then type print in brackets perimeter equals perimeter P. Perimeter is represented in units, so units, and then print diagonal equals diagonal D, and diagonal is represented in units, so units, I have written a simple loop here, while loop. These are outputs, it's a formulas and input. Now let us run it. I'm running it in terminal. So it shows square and now side. I'm giving side as 3. It shows area, perimeter and diagonal. Let's check it. Here area is 9, and here also area is 9. Perimeter is 12, perimeter is 12, and diagonal is 4.24. Diagonal is 4.24 in Google calculator. So we have successfully created that file. So if you like this video, please subscribe. to my channel. See you in next video. Bye.